right? Before we leave each other. This song is by John Legend. He's one of the greatest baritones, and I really look up to him. He's one of my inspirations when it comes to vocal power, vocal strength, stretch, all of that. Sana maging John Legend someday. Mali. Girl, I'm in love with you. This ain't the honeymoon. That's the infatuation phase. Right in the thick of love. At times we get sick of love. Seems like we argue every day. I know I misbehaved when you made your mistakes. We both still got room left to grow. And though love sometimes hurts, I still put you first. We'll make this thing work, but I think we should take it slow. We're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go, 'cause we're ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow, take it slow. This time we'll take it slow, take it slow. Whoa. This time we'll take it slow. This ain't a movie, love, no fairy tale conclusion. Gets more confusing every day. Sometimes it's heaven sent, then we head back to hell again. Because then we make up on the way. I hang up, you call, we rise and we fall. We feel like just walking away. As our love advances, we take second chances. Though it's not a fantasy, I still want you to stay. We're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go, 'cause we're ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow, take it slow. This time take it slow, take it slow. This time take it slow. Okay, so for our next song,